Struggling to get Netflix subtitles working on your MetaQuest 3? Let's fix it together. Netflix might not be available on MetaQuest 3 anymore, but you can still troubleshoot subtitle issues on other devices. First, check your device. If subtitles are missing or only show up sometimes, your device might need some love. Try some basic troubleshooting. Next, let's check your connection. If you're on a public network, video services like Netflix might be blocked. On a private network, ensure your speed meets Netflix's requirements. Also, review your connection settings. If you've tweaked them, consider resetting to default. Now check your profile language preferences. Sometimes, subtitles aren't available in your chosen language due to your profile settings or the content itself. Finally, you can customize the appearance of subtitles. Open Netflix, start a title, pause, and find the player controls at the bottom. Select settings to adjust subtitle size and style. Choose your preferences and resume watching.